We are polishing off some cake we found at my in-laws because they are away.
It's mystery cake.
Yeah, they want us to clean out the refrigerator. So their flowers.
It's only it's only 3 days past its
Gone.
XP date.
More flowers. They left all this out. And their fridge has a ton of food. A lot of sweets. My mother-in-law and her caretaker love the sweets. And we don't know what this is. A lot less sweets than when they left the first time. Came back because it was my father-in-law's birthday. Wow, they got all this good meat products and stuff.
Oh, wow.
Cheese and lemon. I mean, some of this has got to be good. Oh, cheddar cheese. I don't know. To look at the dates. Bacon. And I'm sure they got a lot of ice cream in the freezer. Oh, wow. Stocked. Frozen spaghetti or something up there. Look at the Snickers.
It's on my mom's sugar drug.
Well, the caretaker as well. She has her desserts and sweets, but not for me to judge. I'm just saying they do, both of them. Enjoy that.
Have stuff to left.
Sounds like the movie. But no milk. They finished the milk. Oh, look at this feta. Is that feta or did they fill it up with something else? It's feta. Yeah, that is good. Cherry tomatoes I'm not crazy about, but lots of butter. Okay, we'll sort through this. Okay, we went through the refrigerator and we got a few items. Lots of butter. Cheese. Provolone. And one more bag that is not covered, but it's like English muffins, eggs, our sausage that we bought over for a gathering, and there'll be 8. And I don't know what else. Peppers and garlic. Now we'll drive home. Before we left, we checked the garden. My husband has to work on the water timer. And we found green tomatoes and green peppers. Very small though.